Hi there, good people. So I know it's been a while since I posted a video on the YouTube channel. So for today's video, I wanted to show you a quick update on the plants that we've planted in our garden. So these plants were planted throughout winter, and hopefully they will carry out till the spring season ends. So the first vegetable that I'm going to show you is going to be our Swiss chard spinach. So our Swiss chard spinach begins right here. Now, as you can see that we've constructed many beds right there and there to plant our Swiss chard spinach. And right here is my brother. He's using our famous fish fertilizer on the Swiss chard spinach. Now, we make our own fish fertilizer. So yeah, I will let him carry out the process of our Swiss chard spinach. And then I will take you to the next vegetables that we've planted in the garden. So the next vegetable that you're going to see is garlic. Now, I have an important discussion with you. Although that you didn't see me plant this garlic, but we've managed to grow it this far. Now this garlic, we plan to sell it ourselves. Hopefully we can get distributors out there. So let me show you the garlic. This is one of the most important vegetables in the health community. For people who are suffering with many diseases, I hope that you take this garlic as a supplement. So this is our garlic here. Now as you can see that it's coming up nicely and it's progressing. Now I'm going to take you on a closer look on our garlic so that you can see how far we have came with it. As you can see, now this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So another vegetable that I'm going to show you is kale spinach. Now you know that kale spinach is one of those vegetables that have the characteristics of cut and come again. So with kale spinach, you know that you have an infinite supply of vegetable spinach. Let me take you to it. Now this is our kale spinach. There's a lot of it, and there's still a lot more where this comes from. And a lot more of it is still going to be planted. Now, what I like about kale spinach is that normally we don't have to buy seeds, because with our kale spinach, we know that it is going to produce branches like these ones here. And as you can see, look closely here, this is a branch. What I'm going to do is cut this branch off from here, and I can easily look for a place to plant this. Let's say here. Now, from this here, we are going to get a whole spinach plant like this one here. This is amazing. So until 21,000 years to come, we will never buy seeds for kale spinach. Now we have come to the very important vegetable that I'm going to show you. Now with this vegetable, I was doubted for many times, and they said that I will never grow it organically. So it's funny how now this vegetable is growing very perfect very interesting. So this is for this other brother of mine here who was telling me that you can't grow these cabbages without using store-bought fertilizers, pest propellants, pesticides. So it's funny how now these cabbages right now, they are coming along great, very beautiful, very healthy. No aphids, no armyworm, no cutworm. Let me show you these cabbages. Now this is our cabbages. Now as you can see, very amazing cabbages. So I was working in St. Francis Primary School somewhere around last year. And me and this other brother of mine, we were busy trying to grow a healthy garden. So we was pushing the narrative that we have to grow these vegetables using store-bought minerals, nutrients, fertilizers, pesticides. So I want him to come and take a look at these vegetables. Very great, very beautiful, very healthy, evergreen, just like the evergreen hideout. So I am confident that here we are going to have a delicious meal. Very delicious meal. Take a look at our cabbages. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful, guys. Now that you have seen how we grow our vegetables in the hideout, very healthy, very interesting. Please like and subscribe on the boys YouTube channel. I'll see you on the next one.